up guys, welcome to the first ever Cooking for Life channel. My name is Morgan, this is Taylor, that's Noah, that's Liam, and that's Oliver. And today we're going to be making wedges in the kitchen. So let's...
First of all, we need potatoes.
Seasonings we've got today, we've got garlic and herb salt, chicken salt, Moroccan, and garlic salt. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees.
First thing you want to do before you cook is always make sure you wash your hands, because otherwise you could get dirt and germs on the cooking, what you're cooking, and that could end up really bad. So as soon as you've done that, so once you've washed your hands, the next thing you want to do is wash the potatoes again, so you don't have any dirt or anything on them. So just put them under the sink and give them a quick wash, preferably with cold water. Make sure all the dirt's off, and then once you've done that, you can put it to the side. And then again with the other potato, and again put it to the side.
So next what you want to do is you want to cut up the potatoes into kind of the wedge size that you want. Well, you can cut them into any size you want, but what we're doing is we're kind of like cutting them into like chip sort of shapes, a bit thicker maybe. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting them in half again, and just going to keep doing that until it gets into like a nice wedge shape. Or you can just like cut it like this. Again. Now we have a baking tray, and we're going to spray it with this oil.
We've put it in there. The next thing we want to do is we want to get oil over them so they actually cook. So we have a little pot here with some oil, and you got to make sure you go pretty much over all of them a decent amount so that they get some cooked all the way.
So now that we've done this, we can add any type of salt that we want. We've got chicken salt and garlic herb, but you guys can choose whatever salt. So
As well as that, you can make salsa. Here's a picture of the salsa that you can make. And now we're going to add the seasoning.
you just want to very much so lightly sprinkle it over. Don't put too much of it, otherwise you'll get diabetes.
Yeah. So now that you've done that, we're going to add the garlic and herb salt. It may not be the nicest looking thing, trust me, when it comes out, it's delicious. It came out a little bit quick.
Okay, now the last thing we're going to do is put this in the oven for 20 minutes.
And don't forget to turn it on to fan bake.
Now the chips are ready, and have a look at them. They look delicious.
Now we have to leave them to cool.
Done.
Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Unfortunately, Morgan is not with us. He had to go somewhere. But I hope you all enjoyed. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.
See ya.